Hey there, I'm Bill Deweese, professional voiceover talent, having recorded over 10,000 voiceover projects, and I'm a voiceover coach. And welcome to my VoFlow channel. Really glad to have you here. I am all about helping voiceover talent become more than a creative, more than a performer, but somebody who makes money at the art that they produce. And that's what I'm all about as a coach, and that's what VoFlow is all about. Today I want to talk a little bit about AI. AI has become It's pretty much a dirty word around voiceover and within creative circles, and understandably so. We have concerns about what it's doing in terms of people beginning to lean more on AI for some of the things that they used to lean on us for. Also, we're concerned about issues of what do we own? What is our intellectual property and how is it being used? And all of those are very legitimate concerns. But I think being focused on that has certainly kept me from really thinking about how can I make AI my friend? How can I use AI in a helpful, productive, and profitable way within my voiceover business? And what really got me thinking about this was yesterday morning I came into my studio to start my voiceover day, and I was having some problems with my audio. Essentially what was happening is I was recording into my DAW. My levels weren't right because I have everything set up in a very specific way and I know exactly what I'm getting, and I wasn't getting what I typically get. My levels were very low. I looked at everything. I looked at my audio interface. I checked out all the audio plugins that I use. I looked at the entire audio chain, could not figure out what the issue was. And I've been doing this for now over 20 years. And so I know a little bit about what I'm doing, and usually I can troubleshoot these things, but for some reason I was stuck. And I thought, let's ask AI. So I took a screenshot of Adobe Audition, which is that's my DAW, showing the audio and explaining the issue to AI. And wouldn't you know, it was able to diagnose it immediately. It immediately diagnosed the problem, and I was able to correct it. Something that could have taken me hours, or I don't know how long it would have taken me to correct it, but I can guarantee you it would have been a lot more than a few minutes. And so it got me thinking about, okay, what else are we missing? And so this morning, I do a daily voiceover huddle for the students who are in my voiceover in the VoFlow voiceover training community. And we were having a discussion about this, and I was asking them how they use it, and we were brainstorming some things. And there are some ways that you can use AI that could be very helpful with your business. For instance, did you know that AI, ChatGPT, or in my case, I use Copilot by Microsoft, Gemini, any of these, Claude, can write excellent copy? Now, I'm typically pretty critical of, as a matter of fact, I recently recorded a video about why you should not write your own copy for your voiceover demos. And it's because as a professional copywriter, that's my core strength. That's my core skill. That was the first thing I did out of college. Actually, when I was still in college, I became a commercial copywriter, and I brought that skill with me and used it, leveraged it in untold ways throughout my career, my voiceover career included. And I can spot a commercial written by somebody who's not a professional copywriter. I can smell it immediately. As a matter of fact, there are a couple of platforms that post practice scripts, which I always tell my students, don't use those. They're horrible. They're written horribly. And you need to learn how to read real copy written by real professionals, because professional producers can tell these things. So I tested it out with AI yesterday, and guess what? 2 thumbs up. I had to write me some medical narration. I had to write a commercial or two. I did a luxury brand and something else. And everything that I threw at it, it did an excellent job. It can be an excellent copywriter if you're looking for practice scripts, if you're looking for scripts for a demo. Also, music beds for productions, maybe podcast intros, outros, maybe for demos that you're putting together. There's a platform called Suno, Suno.com, which I have a very basic $10 a month subscription. The other day, earlier this week, I decided to find out whether I could write or create a piece of music that I could use for a commercial production. So I explained to it what I wanted, and it created it and did an outstanding job. That's something I really hadn't thought of before. Now, perhaps you've thought of these things and maybe you've thought of other things. As a matter of fact, if you're using AI in any way, in a positive way to help you grow your voiceover business, I would appreciate you sharing those in the comments. It'll help the voiceover community at large. Also, I was surprised to find out that AI can go in and look at your online platforms, for instance, like your Voice123 profile, and give you legitimate feedback, legitimate detailed feedback on your profile. If you're doing social media marketing, it can help you craft posts that will appeal to your target audience. So you aren't just posting for the benefit of other voiceover talent, but you're posting for the benefit of the people who are in a position to hire you as a voiceover talent. It can easily create thumbnails for those same social media posts. It can write copy for your website. It can give you guidance on quoting rates. And I believe we're just beginning to scratch the surface. So again, if take some time, think about ways that you might use it. And if you are using it or you think of some new ideas, be sure to post and comment again to help the community begin to use AI or begin to view AI as an ally as opposed to just a foe, and to be able to use it and leverage it to help us grow our voiceover businesses together. Hey, would love for you to learn more about my VoFlow voiceover training community. There's going to be a link in the description. Come check it out, and I hope to see you soon.